Hey there, welcome back to my channel. Today, we'll be exploring two fantastic ideas to help you generate passive income. So let's dive right in. Before we start, please like the video and subscribe to the channel. 1. Real estate investment. Research and education. Begin by educating yourself about real estate investment. Read books, attend seminars, and join online communities to learn about different strategies and markets. Identify your investment strategy. Decide whether you want to invest in residential properties, commercial properties, or real estate investment trusts, REITs. Choose an option that aligns with your goals and risk tolerance. Build your network. Connect with real estate agents, property managers, and other investors to gain insights, find potential deals, and collaborate with industry professionals. Financing options. Determine how you'll finance your investment. You can use your savings, take out a mortgage, or partner with other investors. Explore different financing options to find the one that works best for you. Property selection and management. Search for suitable properties considering factors like location, potential rental income, and future market trends. Once acquired, hire a property management company to handle day-to-day operations. Passive income generation. As a real estate investor, your passive income will come from rental payments or property appreciation over time. Manage your investments well and maintain good tenant relationships for a steady stream of income. Real estate investment can be an excellent way to generate passive income, but let's move on to our second idea. 2. Affiliate marketing. Find your niche. Identify a niche that aligns with your interests and expertise. It could be fitness, beauty, technology, or any other industry where you can offer valuable insights and recommendations. Research affiliate programs. Look for affiliate programs that offer products or services related to your chosen niche. Numerous affiliate networks and platforms are available, such as Amazon Associates, ShareASale, and CJ Affiliate. Create valuable content. Start a blog, YouTube channel, or social media accounts to create content around your niche. Provide valuable information, product reviews, and recommendations to attract and engage your audience. Incorporate affiliate links. Strategically place affiliate links within your content to the products or services you're promoting. When your audience makes a purchase through your link, you earn a commission. Grow your audience. Focus on growing your audience by consistently creating high-quality content. Utilize SEO techniques, engage with your audience through comments and social media, and collaborate with other influencers in your niche. Optimize and scale. Continuously monitor your affiliate marketing efforts to identify what's working and what can be improved. Optimize your content, track conversions, and explore additional promotional channels to scale your passive income stream. 3. Dividend investing. Understand dividend investing. Dividend investing involves buying shares of dividend-paying stocks or dividend-focused funds. These investments provide you with regular cash payments, known as dividends, based on the company's profits. Research dividend stocks. Identify companies with a track record of consistent dividend payments and potential for growth. Look for companies in stable industries with a history of increasing dividends over time. Diversify your portfolio. Build a diversified portfolio of dividend stocks across various sectors and industries. This helps reduce risk and ensures you have exposure to different income sources. Reinvest dividends. Consider reinvesting your dividends through dividend reinvestment plans, DRIPs, or by manually purchasing additional shares. Reinvesting dividends can compound your returns over time, accelerating your passive income growth. Monitor and adjust. Regularly review the performance of your dividend investments and make adjustments as needed. Stay updated on company financials, dividend policies, and market conditions to make informed decisions. Enjoy passive income. Sit back and enjoy the passive income generated from your dividend investments. Over time, as you accumulate more shares and companies increase their dividend payments, your passive income will grow. Now that we've covered dividend investing, let's move on to our final idea for generating passive income. 4. Digital products. Identify a niche. Choose a niche where you have expertise and passion. It could be e-books, online courses, stock photography, music, software, or any other digital product that caters to a specific audience. Create high-quality digital products. Develop valuable and high-quality digital products that provide solutions or entertainment for your target audience. Ensure your products stand out by offering unique insights, comprehensive content, or exceptional design. Set up an online store. Create an online platform to sell your digital products. You can set up a website with an e-commerce platform or utilize existing marketplaces such as Etsy, Udemy, or Gumroad. Market and promote your products. Implement effective marketing strategies to promote your digital products. Leverage social media, content marketing, email marketing, and collaborations with influencers to reach your target audience. Provide excellent customer support. Deliver exceptional customer support to maintain a positive reputation and encourage repeat purchases. Respond promptly to inquiries, address customer concerns, and continuously improve your products based on feedback. Automate sales and delivery. Implement automated systems to handle sales and product delivery. This allows you to generate passive income as customers purchase and access your digital products without constant manual intervention. These were 4 fantastic ideas for generating passive income. Whether you choose real estate investment, affiliate marketing, dividend investing, or creating digital products, remember to conduct thorough research, remain persistent, and adapt as needed. With time and effort, you can establish multiple streams of passive income and achieve financial freedom. Best of luck on your passive income journey. Please like the video and subscribe to the channel.